Hey, it's Dr. Erin. I help people lose weight and get healthy virtually, and I do that in 3 very specific ways. First, we focus on food, real food, no supplements, no medications. It's important to learn which real foods might actually be harming you. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it's not harmful. Next, we focus on food timing. Understanding how to eat naturally, rather than how our culture is fostering you to eat, is important. I teach how to eat in accordance with your body's own circadian rhythm and how to match your everyday needs. This has a great impact on the hormones that regulate your fat storage and your overall weight. And thirdly, I teach the importance of changing your own local environment to one that's more supportive and nurturing. This includes taking a good look at your inner circle. Humans are social creatures. We seek happiness and comfort. We're attracted to others who we seek to emulate, people who we see succeeding at happiness and wellness. This matters because who we invest spending time with makes a difference in who we become and what we can achieve. If you want to reach a high level, you got to hang out with others who are functioning on that high level. The people who join Emergency EHFix are seeking to function on that high level every day. If you want to join my team and get started working with me, your next chance is to join our fall fasting program. Group fasting is something we repeat seasonally because it keeps our team vibrating at the highest level. Our fall season starts in just 5 days. My teams will continue learning and supporting each other through the new year. If you want to come with us and learn, just message me 104 to learn more.